Guys, I found the best money making opportunity for 2020. If you want to know what that is, stay tuned. Hi guys, so welcome to my channel. My name is Danielle Pouncey. I'm an online offline affiliate marketer. I have been doing affiliate marketing for almost 3 years now. And what made me get into affiliate marketing was back in 2017. I was laid off from my job. And around the same time of getting laid off, I found out that I was expecting a baby. So I decided to search the web for some money making opportunities in which I can earn additional income from home because, as I stated, I was pregnant, I was getting laid off, and my husband, he was transitioning into a new job. So I wanted to find a way to bring some additional income into the household working from home. I did find a few opportunities, but they didn't bring in the money consistently like I thought they would. I was a part of MLMs. I sold different products to try to make money, but the money just wasn't coming in consistently. Um, People would come into my inbox with different opportunities. Now, I can't say I was one of those people who jumped from business to business rather than focusing on just one opportunity um, at one time, which may be the reason why I didn't make any money. Like I say, people would hop into my inbox, join this opportunity, join that opportunity, and I would hop on it because, like I said, I was new. I didn't know what I was doing. Um, all I know is I seen all of these people making this money, and I know I wanted a piece of the pie too. So, whatever opportunity came my way, I joined it, which was a bad idea because I didn't make any money. And so I was getting discouraged um, because the money wasn't coming in like I thought it was. I thought I was doing something wrong, which later I found out I was since joining this program. Um, Fast forward to now, guys, this program that I'm in is the best money making opportunity in 2020. It's a task-based program in which you simply complete daily tasks. It will take you between 1 to 2 hours out of your day, 5 days a week. So that's on average 10 hours a week. You're basically learning how to create a successful online business while getting paid. It's simply a no-brainer, guys. Um, with this program, the name of the program is Successful Solution Method. Um, as I stated, it's task-based, so there's no recruiting required. You don't have to bug your friends or family to join your business. No cold calling, no three-way calling. None of that is involved in this program. All it is completing your income-producing activities, and the commissions will follow. With Successful Solution Method, you will get a professionally made website that has an autoresponder built into it. So you don't have to worry about going out getting someone to create a website for you, or you create the website for your business. It's already done for you. We have professional closers who are going to close your sales for you, so you don't have to actively recruit. It's already being done for you. The heavy lifting is being done already for you. Um, we have success coaches that are going to help you along the way. In previous programs in which I was involved in, the support was horrible. I couldn't find no one to help me, no one to answer my questions. So I just got frustrated and I quit. I just flat out quit because I didn't know where to look, who to turn to, how to start making money consistently like everyone else was doing. So I just flat out quit. But with Successful Solution Method, with this program, guys, the support is just top notch. We have an amazing Facebook group in which we all motivate each other, we inspire each other, we help each other out. You're also going to see payment proof in which we've been receiving since the program started, which is going on 2 months now, maybe right at the 2 month mark now. We just went international, so anyone outside of the US can join this program. We're expanding very, very, very quickly. Also, since joining this program, my engagement on Facebook has shot up through the roof. I get no less than 100 comments. I get no less than 100 likes. I even get a few shares here and there, which never happened before. And before joining this program, I found out that I was doing affiliate marketing all wrong, which may be the reason also why I didn't make any money, because I was spamming my link to everyone. I was messaging people in their inboxes, which was getting me nowhere. But with this program, I don't have to spam my link. I don't have to get into people's inboxes and actively recruit. None of that is involved with this program. Also, every Wednesday, we have a weekly webinar, which is very, 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 very powerful. You're going to get some valuable information in this webinar, and you're just going to find out what Successful Solution Method is all about. It's just fantastic. It's awesome. I'm excited for this program. My progress with this program, I'm closing in on $1,000 in commissions earned. $1,000, and that's simply just completing my income producing activities on a daily basis. That's how I received the $1,000 in commissions. I followed the step-by-step instructions that was given to me. And I was able to make almost $1,000 in this business so far. Also, no one's going to be left behind in this program. As I stated, the support is top-notch. You're going to receive step-by-step instructions on what you need to do in order to be successful in this program and to earn consistently. Also, I'm going to leave a link in the description so that you can check out more information on the program. Also, I'm going to leave a link in the description so that you can register for the webinar that we have every week, and also my Facebook link so that you can connect with me and message me. Let's connect, guys. I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to you joining me on this journey. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye.